Hi, welcome to Detrics. Detrics automatically syncs your marketing data with Google Sheets, so you can stop exporting data manually and stop rebuilding stale dashboards. Today, let's get started and import live data from your preferred source directly into Google Sheets in 3 simple steps. 1. Using the Detrics side app, select your data source and click Next at the bottom. You can connect more sources anytime. 2. Click on Run Query and follow the steps to grant access to your selected source. 3. Select your account, and for this example, I'll use a suggested query. Once your report had successfully imported, you can fully customize the data that you want to work with. Easily add or remove fields or grouping dimensions, and filter any data you might need. Select the filter icon next to the field or dimension you want to apply the filter, and go to the filter section. For example, you may only want to look at data from active campaigns. You can add a campaign status filter for those who contain the word active. Select Execute and voila, now your report just shows data from your active campaigns. The best part? You can automate your spreadsheets by scheduling your queries, ensuring your reports and dashboards are always up to date. This is great if you have reports that need to be updated for daily or weekly meetings. You can also refresh your query at any time by pressing the Refresh Query button on the side app. Detrics helps your team bring all your marketing data together, automate it in real time, and share live insights right in Google Sheets. No more manual work, no more messy spreadsheets. So what are you waiting for? Get started for free in less than 60 seconds.